I am utilizing the Bid Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bid Integration Dashboard. Create Integration. Search and select Bid Assist. Copy the webhook URL and fetch the data. Now, go to Bid Assist Pro Dashboard. Click on Add Widget. Give here the widget name. Create. Click on three dots and edit it. Add channel. Choose Custom Form as a channel. Give here a meaningful channel title. Add fields. Scroll down and paste here the webhook URL. Save the channel. Now go WordPress page, click on the Bid Assist logo and click on Bid Integrations. Now fill in the form to fetch data. Submit it. After submitting the form, go to the Bid Integrations dashboard and here you can see the data has been fetched successfully. Now click on Set Action. Search and select an action. ConvertKit. Give here the API secret key. So please visit ConvertKit API token. Under the API you can show API secret key. Click on Show and copy the key. And paste it into Integrations. Authorize it. Authorization is successfully done. Now click on Next. Select a form. Select tags. Map the respective fields. Under the actions you can update ConvertKit by checking the box. Here are advanced features in conditional logic. If you want, you can use it for your own requirement. Click on Next. Finish and save it. Go to the WordPress page and fill in the form. Submit it. Form submitted successfully. Now go to ConvertKit site. And you can see the data came successfully in the ConvertKit. Thanks for watching.